everyone! Welcome back to the Project Awesome. So I'm back with a new makeup tutorial at itong video na to ay ang aking winning entry sa Ever Bilena Big Beauty Challenge Week 9. So ang theme ng week na yon ay Love It Red and yes, nanalo ako ng week na yon. So salamat po sa lahat ng sumuporta. Anyway, gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo yung full version ng video na yon. So here we go! Okay, so ang una natin gagawin ay maglalagay tayo ng toner and I'm using the new EB Advanced White Purity Lightening Toner. Applying that all over my face. And then next, I'm going to moisturize my lips using this Careline Lip Balm at sobrang sarap nito kasi lasa siyang lemon. After that, I'm going to clean the stray hair sa paligid ng kilay ko using this Ever Bilena Eyebrow Razor. And then for the base makeup, medyo marami tayong ilalagay kasi isa sa criteria ng challenge na to ng Ever Bilena ay yung dami ng products nila na gagamitin mo. Pero don't worry, necessary pa rin naman yung mga ginagamit ko dito. So ang una kong nilagay ay yung Ever Bilena EB Advanced CC Cream para ma-color correct yung skin tone ko. And then I'm going to apply this EB Advanced Studio Finish Stick Foundation. Medyo heavy coverage yung ina-achieve natin dito kaya makapal talaga yung nilalagay ko. And then next, para madali siyang i-blend, I'm going to take this Careline BB Cream. I'm going to blend that together. Yan, lalagay ko siya dun sa brush ko and then tsaka ko binlend yung Studio Finish Stick Foundation. Ayan, medyo sumasayo at kumakanta-kanta pa, sorry, para ma-hype up ako. And then next, I'm going to apply this liquid concealer ng Ever Bilena para ma-brighten up pa yung eye area ko, sa paligid din ng mouth ko at sa gitna ng kilay ko. And I'm just blending that using the same Kabuki brush. Next, I'm going to set my eye area using this Careline Oil Control Face Powder. And then for the rest of my face, I'm going to use the EB Advanced BB Flawless Whitening Compact Powder. Sobrang love ko yung powder na yan. Ang ganda niya talaga. Full coverage din siya. Okay, after the powder, sa kilay naman tayo. So, ibabrush ko muna yung brow hair ko using this eyebrow brush from the Careline 5-piece brush set. And then I'm going to shape and fill in my brows using the Ever Bilena Ever Original Pencil in the shade Brown. Yan, i-blend ko lang using the same eyebrow brush and then isa-set ko yung eyebrow pencil na yan using this Ever Bilena EB Advanced Eyebrow Kit at ang ginamit ko ay yung lightest shade. And then para mas mag-match pa yung eyebrows ko sa aking blonde hair, I'm going to set my brows using this Careline Eyebrow Gel in the shade Cookie. Okay, so ngayong tapos na tayo sa kilay, sa eyes naman tayo. At medyo marami din tayong ipapatong sa eyes natin, so please bear with me. Okay, so ang una kong gagawin, maglalagay tayo ng eyeshadow base and I'm using this Ever Bilena Eyebrow Pencil or Perfect Eyebrow in the shade Dark Brown. Yan, i-blend ko lang yan using the sponge applicator dun sa Careline 5-piece brush set. And then I'm going to take this Careline pencil in the shade Black. Lalagay naman natin yan dun sa outer corner ng ating mga mata. Magsisilbi din yung eyeshadow base natin. Yan. And then after that, I'm going to blend that as well using the same sponge applicator. Okay, now I'm going to take this Careline 12 color eyeshadow at ang unang eyeshadow na ilalagay ko ay yung color na red. Lalagay ko lang yan basically sa ibabaw ng eyeshadow base natin. And then I'm going to blend out the edges para mawala yung harsh lines. Next, I'm going to take this EB Advanced Uncover Eyeshadow Palette. Kukunin ko yung shade na yan, lalagay ko siya basically sa ibabaw ng red eyeshadow na nilagay ko. And then maglalagay pa tayo ng isa pang shade. Kukunin ko ulit tong Careline 12 color eyeshadow, gagamitin ko yung brown shade, lalagay ko yan sa ibabaw para makuha ko or ma-achieve ko yung kulay na gusto ko para sa eyes ko. Ayan. Next, I'm going to take this black shade at ilalagay ko naman yan sa outer corner or outer V para magkaroon pa ng intensity at depth ng aking eye makeup. Next, we're going to take this Ever Bilena Evera Eye Pencil in the shade Black, applying that on my lower lash lines at i-blend ko using an angled brush. Next, I'm taking this EB Advanced 5-color eyeshadow in the palette Sunset Cafe. And I'm taking that shade at ilalagay ko yan doon basically sa ibabaw ng ating black pencil na nilagay sa ating lower lash lines. Next, I'm going to take the same brown eyeshadow dun sa ating Careline 12 color eyeshadow. Lalagay ko naman yan sa outer half ng ating lower lash line. Ito na yung fun part. Maglalagay tayo ng red eyeliner pero ang gamit ko dyan ay yung lip liner ng Ever Bilena in the shade Barbecue. And then I'm going to apply this Ever Bilena color pencil in the shade black. Ita-tightline ko yung eyes ko at ilalagay ko sa upper lash line. And I'm just smudging it out. Next, we're going to curl the eyelashes. And then I'm going to apply this clear mascara para mawala yung mga eyeshadow fallouts. And then now we're going to apply this EB Cosmetics false eyelashes in demi. At may kasama na yung lash glue. So yun yung ginamit ko para madikit siya. Next, para ma-finish na yung ating eye makeup, I'm going to apply this Ever Bilena mascara with fiber on the upper and lower lashes, of course. Next, I'm taking the same EB Uncover palette para ma-highlight yung ating inner corner. Gagamitin ko yung champagne shade na yan. Like so. At ayan, tapos na yung ating eye makeup. So, balik na tayo sa face makeup. Next, I'm going to take this EB Advanced Blush Duo in Golden Goddess. Yun yung palette niya. And I'm just contouring my face, sa cheekbones, sa jawlines, and of course, don't forget your temples para magkaroon ng dimension yung face nyo, lalo na sa picture, at para mag-slim down siya ng konti. Diba? Of course, don't forget to contour your nose. Mahalaga yan, best! So, I'm just contouring the sides of my nose using this blending brush. And I like to take a bigger brush para i-blend yan, para mas seamless pa yung finish niya. Next, I'm taking this EB Advanced Cheek Color in the shade Fig. Diyan na magsisilbi nating blush today. Napakaganda niyan. Kasi since Love It Red yung theme, yan yung blush na napili ko kasi meron siyang reddish tone. Okay, and then I'm taking a bigger brush para i-blend lahat. Para yun nga, seamless yung finish. Next, I'm taking this Sunset Cafe palette at ginamit ko yung gitnang shade para i-highlight ang aking cheekbones, ang bridge ng aking nose, at ang aking cupid's bow. Ang ganda ng eyeshadow na yan, parang pak na pang highlighter talaga. Kita nyo naman. Okay, so for the lips, I'm taking this Ever Bilena Pro Lip Liner in the shade Barbecue. And then I'm going to take this Ever Bilena Matte Lipstick in the shade Love That Red. Since Love It Red yung theme, dapat yan ang lipstick natin. Okay, and then to finish it off, I'm going to use this EB Advanced LTD Liquid Lipstick in the shade Fire Opal. And that's it! Tapos na! So I hope that you like this video. Alam ko medyo marami tayong tinatong, pero yun nga, kasama kasi sa criteria yon. Pero gaya ng sinabi ko, necessary pa rin naman lahat ng ginamit ko dito. Hindi lang basta-basta. So thank you so much for watching this video at maraming salamat po ulit sa lahat ng sumuporta sa akin sa week na yon. Kaya nanalo tayo. Yan, thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you see you in the next one, guys. Stay awesome and accomplish your mission. Bye!